Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. And we have Trump that is pushing up today, and it has been pumping for the past 3 days, and I think that this is just a very normal pump in a downtrend. I think whenever you went down, move down, pump up, move down again, pump to the upside, move down, pump and down, and that's how it has been for quite some few days. And let's actually see what we have coming up next. So I'm pretty sure the EMAs have been crossed right now. Yeah, the 10 and 20 have been crossed. It does feel as if Trump coin can actually move here to that $9 to $10 area, which could be another 30% move up to that 55 EMA. You can see the 55 is a newborn EMA ever since August 2025, which is 2 to 3 months ago. And yeah, I think now that you're crossing the 10 and 20, maybe the idea is to actually come up, touch the 55 as well. That's one thing I do see happening. Secondly is the chart pattern, support resistances. What are we looking at here? So what we have is gonna be I think this support and resistance just right over here. Yeah, there's something good happening. There's something good happening with the coin, and it does feel as if we could be looking at a price target of $11. And it actually pretty much takes you to that 55 EMA, doesn't it? Which I showed you, right to $10. Because we have this one touch, resistance down, resistance down, resistance down, and this is another touch. So I'm going to actually give you one small detail of what just happened. So if you notice, when I zoom in here, do you see that yesterday there was a rejection candle one more time, and bears could have stepped in to try to short it again, but the buyers actually are now pushing the prices higher. Even though we have 15 hours to close this candle, who knows, we could actually go down again. Maybe this is a stop loss hunt. So in 15 hours, if you start to close green like this, that is going to be a very, very good sign. I have a feeling we're going to actually close green because of how November can be bullish for so many coins. And also we have 3 white soldier. In my opinion, your new stop loss, if you're going to be trading this, is going to be down at 6.7. A little bit of a huge stop loss, especially if you're looking for an entry right now. This is going to be 13%. That's a very big stop loss. But then again, you have a move coming all the way to $11 potentially. So let's look at the lower time frame as well and see what is going on in here. So yeah, we do have, take that, I think you can do even maybe a 3.44% because the EMAs are actually being supported. Yeah, you can see that this 20 EMA is actually being respected right now. I'm just actually trying to mark if there's any good entry at the moment. Okay, yeah, but still, we could be looking at something like, still drop down a little bit, maybe to 7.4 and then move up. I think a good entry will be if you come down a little bit close to that $7.4, and then from here we could actually see another pump, or we do have this little bit of resistance here. Yeah, so you have to also be careful of this one top and second top, and it would be a good idea to see another break, maybe push up to 8.4, retest this, and then we're good to actually go to that $11 department. All in all, whatever you do, this is a little bit tricky to tell in the lower time frame, especially. You could have manipulation here. Chances are you could even break above and then go up, or maybe come down a little bit and then go up. That is hard to say, but all I know is that 6.7, if you try to go below this $6.7, for me that's going to be a very, very bad sign, because you're just going to make this huge fake out, another manipulation, maybe stop loss hunt, maybe confuse a lot of traders again one more time. So as long as you don't do that, I think there's a very, very good chance we'll be looking at $11.4 coming up next. So that's it for the video, and we also have our November private entry opened up. If you want to enter this one, you can do that. Message me on Discord, and I'm going to see you the next one. Office.